It was a really fascinating experience, being able to spend a good part of a day up in our beloved Llangollen church, very remote hilltop church, about 900 feet above the nearest village. And I met them there and then was able to take them up to do a short contemplative walk. It was quite early in their pilgrimage, so I think that they were still coming together as a group. But I felt really privileged to be near the start, really, of that pilgrimage. And I know that other colleagues saw them later on, and it's been fascinating talking with them about how they then found the pilgrimage as they went on. Somehow to be there near the beginning, establishing some of those ideas about what pilgrimage can be, was a lovely part to play.